guys, this is what you see on social media. Let me take you guys behind the scene. So behind every cooking videos that you guys see and love is a messed up kitchen, especially after a bulk shot, the floor, the countertop. Hey, it's time to clean. Let's do it together. So guys, what is your secret cleaning formula? Because this is what I use, the popular Hypo Bleach. Mix with water in a spray bottle and spray it all over my kitchen, starting with the stove top and then my kitchen marble, to not only thoroughly clean but also to disinfect my kitchen area. Yes, so our Hypo is not only used for whitening our whites, it is also very effective as a disinfectant to protect your home and your kitchen from all the nyama germs that your eyes cannot see. In fact, let's experiment together. Can Hypo wash the back of your pot? I left this to soak for a few minutes, scrub thoroughly, and ta-da! Our pan is shining, our kitchen is clean and free from germs. So guys, are you maximizing your Hypo bleach to whiten and to disinfect your home? Always remember, Hypo go Hypo. Bye guys!